So another one too many customs. Oh yeah. This one needs a little bit more work. Brand new brick cable. We're getting this together. It's gonna be nice. Deck repainted over. Clutch probably painted over. Engine be cleaned up. New spark plug, carburetor. The gas tank be cleaned up. The wheels be taken off. A whole nother breakdown. It's all in one day. Oh, you see it. Another one too many customs. Let's stay tuned. Front wheel bearings are blown out. I'm gonna put it on and show you how it walks. A little walk because of the look at that there. First layer. Now we get ready to peel off it. Look how much dirt before and after. Half clean, half not. Look all around there. All gunked out. Let's get it clean.